Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily change the year in Google Maps Street View. You just want to look in the top right-ish corner and there's a little circle with a square icon. So if you look in the top right corner where it says groceries, just underneath that is a little circle icon. You just want to go ahead and click that. And from here we can activate Street View. Now, as you see, it lights up everything blue. These are actually the roads. So if we zoom in a bit more here, you can see it in a bit more detail. So let's just say we wanted to go somewhere here in Mayfair. We would zoom in and we would just click on the road and it will take us there. But how do we actually change what year we are viewing it in? So if you look at the bottom, it tells us the address, but it also says 11 months ago and there's an option to see more dates. So if we go ahead and click that, as you can see, we can see more dates. So it actually goes back to 2008. So as you can see, it looks pretty much the same, but it does actually change the year. But yeah, that is exactly how you change the year in Google Maps. You won't be able to change it for every single year, since the car actually has to drive around and take photos of the area in order for it to update it. So there's only a select amount of dates you can choose for certain areas. So if you're in a more quiet area where less people live, there's probably going to be less dates that you can choose from, but it's worth checking anyway and finding out. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please comment down below and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.